Welcome to Blackout Tinting. It is Wednesday. We're going to show you what's going on here at the LATROBE shop. Let's check it out. T hard at work tinting this 23 Tiguan. Brand new vehicle here for tint. We're doing our XR line to match things up as close as possible, and then we'll be following up with the full front clip, the rockers, as well as a wear and tear package for this vehicle as well with paint protection film. After that's done, she'll move over to the departments and, we'll move over as well. Got this new Buick SUV, the Avenir. And it actually belongs to Nate's dad. And we did a couple things. Did some paint protection film, I believe. No, did a ceramic coating on that. Looking great, nice and shiny. Should be just about complete, ready for pickup. And this 392 Challenger, the TA model. Custom striping on the side. And we're going to be doing our Fusion Premium 8-year coating. In addition to the wear and tear package, we'll put some stuff on the doors, door cups, and the door sill areas as well. And so she's up next in the queue, looking ready to go. And that takes us to this here. It's a Gladiator Scrambler. So off-road package, as you can see, big tires, got the off-road lighting. Super aggressive. This is also here for a ceramic coating as well. We're going to have that next up in the queue starting today, I believe. This Range Rover here is also here for a ceramic coating. Just need to do some finishing touches, things get touched up as well on here. So a lot of things pretty much done for the week. Just need those final finishing touches to get things going. But we have here an F-150 Black Widow. It's here for an annual checkup. We did this several years back, and as you can see from the surface there, it is performing quite well. Beating like a dream, and we'll get that cleaned up, get that back to the customer. That's all I got for inside. Let's go outside. All right, so we're outside now. Got a lot of things going on right behind you, that way. We have an Indian Chieftain, also here for an annual checkup. It's a big bike. It's a very big bike. Customer doesn't ride it too much, so I imagine it's going to perform quite well. On the right of it though, we have a 22 Escalade getting prepped up for paint protection film. We'll be doing a couple things here. Full front, including the grille. We'll do the piece behind the rear wheel well as well, and we'll do the interior door sills. A couple different things for different areas. We got more that way. Ford Ranger up next in the queue for tint. We're going to be using our XR line to give it that factory match to have that consistency applied to the vehicle for the customer. Perfect timing too. He is taking that on the road this weekend to go on vacation. So guys, give us a call. If you're looking to get some tint done, more than likely we can find something for you somewhere close in time. Let us know, call me. But a couple more things here, and then we'll ship her on out to a different shop. 2020 Silverado came in for tint, was dropped off yesterday. We tinted it first thing this morning. Same thing, factory match. She's done, customer has been called, just waiting to go home. On the left of that though, we have this Mercedes. Did a few things regarding paint protection film. Did the hood, bumper, edges, cups as well. She's all touched up. Just gotta contact the customer and get that going. And last thing for what we got outside, it's gonna be a Lincoln Corsair. The typical theme for today is we are tinting the fronts to match that rear section for consistency. All right guys, thanks so much for joining us here in LATROBE. We got a special guest for you over at Gibsonia. What do you got going on?
What's up guys, welcome to Gibsonia. I'm Austin, I'm filling in for Luke while he's up in St. Louis getting the shop started up. So I'm going to be filling in, and we're going to start up here with this Jaguar. We already got a ceramic coating and a full front in PPF. And also, since Luke is gone, I'm going to take his wheel of the week, and I'm going to say that this car has the wheel of the week. I like the two-tone, like the silver accents on the black wheel of this car, and the red caliper behind it really pops and shows color. So, yep, moving on. Over here we have a Genesis G70. We were working on this last week. It's just hanging out waiting to get picked up. We did the full front paint protection film on this, and we also ceramic coated it after that. And I believe we tinted the windows in 35%. Moving down the line, we have a GMC AT4. This was in for 20% front window tint and then a ceramic coating. Mark just finished that up and it's waiting to get picked up this week. Flip over here, we have a Toyota Tacoma. This got paint protection film on a few select areas. It got the front fenders and then the full hood. And then it also got a ceramic coating after that, and this is awaiting pickup as well. We have a BMW X1. This is a 23. This is for our friends at Swickley. We did a full front with rocker panels and a wear and tear kit. And we just finished that up this morning, and we're waiting for them to come grab it. And then right here is a TRX. This is brand new. I believe it's just here for window tint, and then Mark is finishing up the coating right now. Interior coating as well. Mark's finishing this up. It's looking great. Should be gone by the end of the week. Right in the tint bay, we have a Ford Explorer. This is just getting 2 front windows on our XR20 to block out a little bit of heat and get some privacy on there. And then right behind it, XR30 fronts. So that's a little bit of a weird shade. We don't do too many of that, but I guess that's what this customer opted for, so we're taking care of it. Beyond the tint bay, we have a brand new 7 Series. This is a 760i. Excuse how dirty it is right now. We tinted it last week and it's just been hanging out. Jason's gonna wash it, and then this car's gonna be on its way. Over in the wash bay, we have another brand new Ram TRX. This is here for a full stealth wrap, and then also a coating on top of that. We haven't started it yet, but we're gonna start hammering it out later this afternoon, and that's going to be picking up by the end of the week. Then back in the PPF bay, we have 2 jobs right now. We have an Acura MDX. This customer already had a full front clip installed for PPF. He brought it back to us and decided that he wanted the full wrap done. So we just finished up laying film on the rear end of the car. Once that's done, it's going to go over to Mark, and it's going to get a coating on the outside, and then it's also getting an interior coating. Up on the lift, we have a Mercedes E350. Ian wrapped up with this morning. It got a full XR20 all the way around, and then it's over here for a full hood and front bumper. I'm in the middle of working on that right now, but once it's done, we're gonna let the customer know, and it's gonna be out of here. But that's all we have going on in Gibsonia. Let's see what's down in Miami.
What's up, guys? This is Nate from Blackout Tinting in Miami. Let's check out what we've done in the shop this week. Here we have a 2013 S550, got a full front clip paint protection film wrap, as well as a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Here in the PPF bay, we have a brand new 2023 Ram TRX, getting a full stealth PPF conversion, ceramic coating, as well as some tint. That's all we got going in the shop this week. If you like what you saw, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let us know how we're doing.
I'm here this week at Terry's Auto Sales in Somerset, tinting their new building showroom with Expel's Dark Neutral 15 and 25% film. Thank you, Brad, for trusting us with this project, just like you have your cars. We'll see you next week, guys. Thanks.